this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. So we're just going to start by selecting the cell or cells that we want to create this drop-down list in. Then click on Data in the top navigation and select Data Validation. In the top right-hand side, select Add a New Rule, and the Apply to Range is the cells that we have selected. So you can just keep this selection as is, or we can click on the Select Data Range and go and select the cells that you want to apply this to. For the criteria, we want to select drop down, and then we can go and type in the items that we're going to add to this drop down list. So I'm going to call this item 1, and I'm going to label this one item 2, and we can also add additional items by clicking this button here. So I'm going to label this one item 3. You can also select a different color for each of the items by clicking on this drop down arrow and selecting the color that you want to apply to each of the items. Now decide whether you want to allow multiple selections in your drop down list. Click on Advanced Options, and from here you have a few more customization options. Once you're finished, just click on Done, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.